Hi everyone, making progress on the XJ Overland project. As you can see, I've got a template cut out from newspaper for the mattress. It's going to be cut to size. Then the side panels are just clamped in at this time. But the shelf is coated with Herculiner. You'll need 2 quarts for a project like this because 1 quart of Herculiner is going to be on the front storage unit, and almost a quart of Herculiner is going to be on the back shelves. The flip-up shelves are good, so you're going to have good storage in there on both sides. So this is going to be a good storage solution because there's a nice box. If you look down in there, you can see pretty nice box. You can store propane bottles down in there. I'll put a piece of plywood across the front here to square it off and complete that container. But there's a lot of storage there, so this is a very good. I'm very pleased about this. And then of course easy access from the back of the Jeep here, and likewise on this side. That spare tire mount is going to come out and go with my pile of Jeep parts, and then this will have a very nice storage as well. Top here is going to be nice durable coating. Is going to be protect the sliding gear in and out, so it's going to be good. Haven't bolted it down yet. I still have to weld a bolt down at the bottom to tie this thing down to the straps. But then I still also have to put in the seat belt bolt straps to the bulkhead. But all in all, this is I'm very happy. So far so good. I just want to show you what this template looks like from the other side. There's the I just basically cut it out, taped everything. Now I'm going to spray paint it, and just to give it a little bit more robustness. And then this is the coating that same as I used on the storage unit, the Herculiner truck bed liner. Great product. This goes on very well. Just make sure you stir it, get all that the solids off the bottom. But this is getting close now. We've got to get this mattress cut out, and then we're going to have to cut out a mattress, sew a mattress cover for it. And I've still got to get the doors on the cabinets. But you'll see what it looks like with the lights on now. Put the lights on. It's pretty nice. I'm very happy so far. Very pleased. Anyway, that's the update. Next update, hopefully I'll have a mattress cut out. But thanks for tuning into this ongoing Overland project. Right, I took some spray paint that I wasn't going to be using and gave it a quick coating of spray paint just to stiffen up that newsprint. That's pretty thin paper, and working with this as a pattern, I want it to be pretty strong because we're going to be laying out a mattress with this, as well as the mattress cover that we're going to sew for it. So thanks for joining in on this video. Please like and subscribe and share this video, and let me know if you decide to use this project or this approach for an Overland project. Thanks everyone.